create this burger animation using HTML and SVG. For this, I will be creating a folder and I will name it burger animation. I have already downloaded the picture of the burger and the link to the picture is in description. And this is the image as you can see on the screen. The next step is to create a HTML file. You also need to create a CSS file. Open this folder in Visual Studio Code. Write the basic HTML and some sort of CSS. Add a black background with a white foreground. Set display to flex. Justify content to center. Set a padding of 10%. Link the CSS file with the HTML. Now I will be using Figma for grouping the layer and doing some modification on the image. You don't need to do this step as I will be providing you with grouped layer image in the description. To do so, I will be using a frame or a desktop frame and I will set the width to be 1280 and the height to be 720. I will turn the background to be black. I will copy the SVG image. I will paste the image. I will remove the background. Now I will be doing some modification, like I will remove the shadow and I will group the layers. Now it's time to export the modified burger. So I will select the burger. I will select SVG here and I will select include ID attribute here. I will export the burger as burger modified.svg. Back into the Visual Studio. Now we'll be opening burger modified file. So as you can see, all the layers are grouped by names. So I will just copy all of them to HTML. Let's see this HTML file in our browser. As you can see, here is the burger, but it's not animated. We'll be adding animation through CSS. Back into the burger.css. Now we'll be modifying each layer with some sort of transformation like translation, rotation, and scaling to make the burger collapse. Let's start with the lower base. Let's add transformation. We have successfully applied transformation. Now we will add keyframe animation. Let's name the animation as expand. We will reset the transformation to default. Translate to 0px, 0px. Scale to its default value 1. Rotate to its default value 0. Now I will be adding this animation to all the layers. To add the animation, I will use animation property. Name of the animation, expand. Timing for the animation, we will have the timing to 6 seconds. Then number of time loop, so it will be infinite. And after that, the type of animation we will have is out. I will copy this animation to all the layers. Now the next property we are going to add is animation direction. We will set the animation direction to be alternate reverse. I will add this property to all the layers. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you.